Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Oster Pro. You get it close up here. Oster Pro 1200 plus blender, and this one includes the smoothie cup and the food processor, as you can see on the front here of the box. And the reason I got this one is because when I take it out, you guys will see, but it has an extra wide base for all the stuff can sit, so the blades can get it, and it has also has the 6-point blade. So I'll open it up and let you guys see some of the reasons I got this, okay? When I get a close-up of it. But this is all the stuff on the front of the box here. All right. Right, let's open it up. Okay, there we go. All right. Here's your little manual here that you get with it. And first case, this is the main jug, and this is this is glass, guys. This is solid glass. I believe they say it's shock resistant glass for sudden changes in temperature. And you guys can see right here, the connection right here is also, I'm told, was metal. When I open it up, I'll see, but there's another reason why I got this. The connection from the base of the blender is metal, so it won't snap in half like the little plastic ones they're making now. So that's another reason I got this one. And I also got because of this glass jar. I don't like the plastic jars. They're easier to mess up. So I got this, the one with the glass jar. And this is 6 cups right here. And here is the blade. You got a good shot of this. It's 6 blades, so you can see 1, 2 down here, 2 in there to the side, and these 2 up here. So it's 6 blades. Okay. Okay, now for this next box here. This is the food processor container here. Now this one is plastic. This is 5 cups. This is a 5 cups food processor. Okay. And here's the blade. They got it securely in this. This is dangerous. You don't want to cut yourself on this. But this is the blade for the food processor. Okay. And here's the lid and your little plunger here when you're putting your vegetables in. All right. Those 2 parts. let's see what else they have in this box before I toss it. Oh yes, these are the... Alright, see if I can open this here. These are the different blade types. They give you different. So this is the second blade. This is the different cut. This does a different cut. So that's what this is for. So that's the second blade. You get 2 blades with your food processor. There you go. Here's the smoothie cup. 24-ounce smoothie cup that they give you. Okay. And this is the base of the blender here. And you guys can see this is metal. The shaft that connects to the blade here, it's metal. This is a solid piece of metal right here. Let me get my knife so you guys can hear it. That's metal right there. Okay. And it has different presets on here already. Alright, so you guys, here's the smoothie button over here, food, chopped salsa, milkshake, low speed, high speed, medium, and pulse, on, off, and stop. Okay. So that's it, guys. This is the Oster 1200 plus blender and food processor. Okay. And what 1200 plus means, this is 1200 watts. It says 1200 watts of power. Okay. That's another reason I got it, because I need more power to make my smoothies. Alright, that's all looks like they give you. Let me double check. Oh, wait a minute. Almost forgot the cover for the lid. Goes right into your lid up here. Get that. That's it, guys. That's all the parts you get. So this is the whole unit, the whole setup. That's all they give you when you buy the unit. Okay, that's all of it. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.